right, boys and girls, today we have some words that we're going to use to name the pictures that we see. So let's read the words first before we take a look at the pictures. This word, let's sound it out in your head. What's the word? Hiss. Good. Let's look at this one. Sound it out in your head. What's the word? Dress. Good. Do this one in your head. What's the word? Grass. This one in your head. What's the word? Kiss. This one in your head. Word? Toss. Toss. Very good. This one sounded out in your head. What's the word? Glass. Good. This one. Bass. Two more in your head. What's the word? Good. Last one. Word? Moss. Very good. Okay, so let's start with the first one. What do you see here? This is the green stuff that grows outside of your house. It's grass. Very good. Very good. Okay, what does the little girl do with the ball? She is going to toss. Nice. Good. And my dad is a big fisherman, and this is a type of fish. What type of fish is it? Yeah, it's a bass. Like this. Bass. Good. This teacher is helping some students. What word would be best for this one? Yeah, class would work. Class. Nice job. What does this sign mean when we see it in math? The number is less. Very good. It's less. Okay. And this is something that you might see your mom wearing. A dress. Nice job. What is the little fuzzy stuff on logs, like in a wet place by a pond? Do you know what that's called? It's called moss. Good. And what does the snake say? Yeah, the snake will hiss. Excellent. And the last picture is a type of candy. What is it? It's a kiss. Very nice, boys and girls. Excellent job. Now, if you turn your paper over, on the back side, we're going to write our words in ABC order. So if you look up in the box with your spelling words, do you see a word that starts with an A? Yeah, we do. We see after. So we're going to write after in this box. Good. We have two words that start with a B. So when we look at the next letter, the U and the Y, which one comes first in the alphabet? Yeah, the U. So Buzz is going to come next. And then after Buzz, we're going to write bye. Good. So we already have the first three words done. That's great, boys and girls. For number 4, do we have a word that starts with C? Yes, we do. It's class. Nice job. So after C, do we have a D? Nope. E? Nope. We do have a word that starts with an F. Fix. Very good. After F, what comes next? Next comes next. Isn't that silly? Very good. L-M-N-O-P-Q. We have two words with Q. So we look at the second word, second letter. They're both U. Third letter. They're both I. Fourth letter, T and C. What comes first in the alphabet? You're right, it's the C. So we're going to write quick. And then after that, we'll write the word quit. That's how they would come in order in the alphabet. Okay, let's keep going. Q, R, and then S. So we have small. And then our last word would be will. All right, boys and girls, excellent job with your word work today. Very, very good.